From buhaghag hair to instant hair straight in just seconds lang? Yes, you heard it right. Who would have thought na ang buhaghag kong buhok kayang-kaya nitong portable hair straightener from Enchen? Packaging pa lang, ang ganda na. Parang ordinary brush nga lang ito pero surprise, hair straightener pala. May pre-cover na rin kasama. May pre-hair clip din at USB cord for charging. May 4 temperature settings din, 140 degrees, 160, 180, and 200 degrees Celsius. May 200 million negative ions din for shinier, smoother, and damaged hair free. Fast sitting in just 20 seconds and automatic off na rin in 15 minutes. Kahit short or long hair ka pa, kayang-kaya nitong Enchen Hair Straightener. It locks in moisture, repairs damage, smooth frizz, and even enhances hair strength. And the best part, portable, ultralight, and super travel-friendly pa. Pwede mo siyang dalhin anytime, anywhere. Perfect for your next event, date, or gala night. Mga mare, alam kong budol approved to, kaya check out mo na rin bago ka pa maubusan.